Today I'm going to share with you Newline Workspace. This is a cloud-based whiteboard solution that focuses on collaboration. Workspace has your standard whiteboard tools. You have a pen, a highlighter. You also can insert shapes, as well as text and images. What makes the workspace unique is the fact that you can edit PowerPoint slides, Word documents, and Excel files. Because the workspace is cloud-based, you can add other users to your session and collaborate. They can edit the document while you are looking at it as well. You will see the edits on your screen. You can also add those people to a video chat.
Hello.
This is Newline Workspace.